Well, Jennifer Glasse is in Washington for us now. Jennifer, huge controversy over this, but no signs that Donald Trump is going to climb down.
Not at all, John. His administration all weekend, despite the demonstrations across the country, saying there is nothing to apologize for, that this is all about national security. But he is facing a number of legal challenges. Already 5 U.S. federal judges have ruled against his executive action. In some cases, stopping deportations. In others, limiting it in other ways. And more lawsuits are to come. We've just heard that the Attorney General from the state of Washington will be launching a lawsuit against this executive action, calling it unlawful and un-American. And the Council on American Islamic Relations, CAIR, have said they are also filing a lawsuit in Virginia on behalf of 20 citizens and non-citizens. Muslims, they say, are unfairly targeted by this, that it is a violation of the First Amendment, which guarantees freedom of religion, and that it denies all Americans the right to people who could be their doctors, their educators, their lawyers, and such. And it says that it unfairly restricts these people here in the United States because it means that they cannot travel outside the United States because of the ban. And so legal challenges continue to mount in this very, very controversial executive action.
And all this part of an extraordinary first week in office. What can we expect in the second week?
Well, it has been a whirlwind, busy time, and it's not expected to slow down anytime soon. Tomorrow evening, Tuesday evening, President Trump will announce his nomination for the U.S. Supreme Court. That 9th seat has been vacant for nearly a year, since last February, when Judge Antonin Scalia died suddenly. The previous President Barack Obama's nominee was blocked, and now it looks like it will be a bruising fight to get Donald Trump's nominee through Senate confirmation hearings. Also in the Senate, you've got the U.S. Secretary of State, Rex Tillerson, facing confirmation votes this week, as well as the nominee for Attorney General Jeff Sessions. Also, both of those also very controversial nominees for cabinet picks. The administration, we just heard from Sean Spicer just a few minutes ago, the administration seeming very frustrated that they haven't been able to get more of the cabinet in place, calling it partisan politics, telling the Democrats to start working and move things forward. But the Democrats and the minority, both in the House and the Senate, seeming to do what they can to hold things up and hold Donald Trump's nominees to account.
Jennifer Glasse in Washington, thank you very much indeed.